love it. You're gonna love it.
Wait, guys.
You're gonna love it. Come here, motherfucker.
Hey, OJStars fam, welcome back. Today we gotta talk about this. iShowSpeed is one of the biggest streamers out there. Just got hit with another racist moment while in China. Like seriously, what is wrong with people? Let's break it down. So Speed is just vibing, doing his thing, and boom, some random dude hands him a KFC bucket with a banana in it, and then starts making monkey noises. Bruh, what? Did we just time travel back to the 1800s? Because that level of racism is prehistoric. You could literally see the moment Speed processed what was happening. Like, man was just trying to enjoy his trip, not get hit with a live action history lesson on racism.
Open that shit. Open that shit. You'll love it. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it.
Fuck is this?
You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it.
Wait, guys.
You're gonna love it. Come here, motherfucker. Speed up. Do you love this?
Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way this is happening right now. Of course, the internet went crazy. Some people were like, this is disgusting. Racism needs to stop. While others were out here like, bro, it's just a joke. Nah, that ain't a joke. That's just being a straight up clown. No offense to actual clowns, y'all are better than this. Look, Speed is one of the most energetic, hype, and positive streamers out there. He doesn't deserve this garbage. No one does. So what do y'all think? Should people be calling this out harder, or is Speed handling it the right way? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more crazy stories.